and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can turn PDF worksheets into digital ones using Google Slide. To get started, you want to be sure that you have the document opened. I'm going to be taking a screenshot of this worksheet. When you take a screenshot of yours, you want to make sure that you are seeing full view of the handout. If you are a Mac user, you will select Command-Shift-4 and you will notice that your cursor will change. You will drag and highlight the area of the worksheet that you want to use. When you let it go, it will save onto your desktop. So now we're going to go to our Google Slide presentations. To do that, you may go to your Google Apps and select Slides. We will select a blank presentation. We're going to hit X for themes. So now that we're here, the first thing that you want to do is change the margins of your slide. To do that, you will go over to File. You will select Page Setup. We will select this area here, widescreen, but we want to change it to custom. Once we're there, we want to change it to 8.5 by 11 inches. We will select Apply, and you will notice that the margins of your slide have now changed. We will remove these text boxes here because we don't need them, and we want to have a blank slide. From here, we want to select background. We will select the image of the worksheet that we took. So we will select on Browse on your computer. We will select the screenshot. We will open it. And right away, you can see that our image of the worksheet has taken up the entire slide. Now, to make it accessible, you want to select the text box tool. You will create a box here of your size to fit your worksheet. You may type here. You may select your text. You can change the font. You may even change the size and the color. And there you have it. I'm going to show you another way that you can insert a text box. You will go over to the plus sign here and you want to select the caption slide. It will open up on a new slide, and here you have another text box. I like to change the settings, so I'm going to just change it to a different font. I'm going to change it into different size, and then I'm going to select a color. Now I also notice that my text is in the center and I want it to be on the top. So I'm just going to select this arrow that is pointing upward, and now my text has shifted. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to hover over it. I'm going to right click and sorry about that. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to return back to slide 1 where my worksheet is, and I'm going to paste. And now here you have the text box that we changed on slide 2. And I'm just going to make it fit nicely in my worksheet. Okay. I am also going to paste again because I still want to use that exact same text box. And again, I'm just going to make it fit nicely into my worksheet. Okay, and I'm gonna again just paste one more time because I want to make it accessible, my worksheet. Okay, and there you have it. So the main difference between the two text boxes that I just used here is that on the first one, the type here text doesn't change. It doesn't go anywhere. It stays there. So in order for students or anyone else that is going to have access to this worksheet, they would need to remove the text in order to start writing their response. If you notice the other 3 text boxes, they say click to add text, but as soon as you click on it, that text disappears and student or whoever is going to have access to your worksheet can immediately begin to type right in it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can turn your PDF worksheets into digital ones. I hope that you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, and share with others. See you on the next one.